Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, Patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. Whether it's the drone sector, the AI sector, defense sector, rare earth sector, whatever the case may be, this is Trump's stock market. He knows that all he has to do, he knows that he is the government, and he knows how to make stocks go up. He knows how to make a sector go up. He knows now at this point, I can just say, hey, the government is taking a stake in these stocks, this sector, and it'll go up, right? We've been seeing that a lot. So how do you make money off of this? It's really easy. I know some of you might not. You have to pay close attention to Trump. You got to be on social media and follow the Trump. You got to take a look at his social media and what he puts out there, because that is what's going to give you the advantage of, hey, he just tweeted about Dell stock. He just talked about Dell. He just said Dell, buy a Dell. And look at Dell. Holy crap, look at that huge run. Look at that massive gap. That is the power of a president who understands that he can just mention a stock. He can talk about a sector, say, hey, the government's taking a stake in this sector, and it goes up. So that's it. That's the strategy, guys. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet and to the point because there's not much else to say. It's really this easy. It took me some time to figure this out. I didn't figure this out right away. I was kind of a little concerned. I'm like, wait, why aren't we... Like, usually in the stock market, in a bull run, when everything goes up, all boats rise, right? All boats rise together is the term I'm trying. I forgot the quote. When the waves, I don't remember the quote. I can't think of it off the top of my head. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you'll correct me in the comments. But usually all boats rise together, right? If stocks are running huge, all the other ones move up, even if it's just a little bit. But there's been a lot of stocks, specifically in the software sector, that have just been sitting there doing nothing, and it's not until recently that they've been moving. So there's that, right? It's usually all boats rise together, but in this case, it's insane. It's crazy. Money just pours into drone stocks. Then money pours into software. Then money pours into AI. Then money pours into infrastructure. Then money pours into defense. Then money pours into rare earth elements stocks. Right? Like, that's all it is, guys. So pay close attention to Trump. Keep an eye on Trump. Literally just go to your favorite AI or go to Google and just type in, hey, did Trump talk about any stocks today? And that's it. And then the AI or Google will find you any information relevant to that question, and you'll get your answer. And if the AI tells you, yeah, today Trump talked about, such and such stock, buy it. That's literally all it's been. That's the game. Dell, he mentioned AMD, he mentioned Now. Look at Now, 124. Palantir's finally, getting a move on. That's all it is now. This is the kind of market where just follow the Trump. If he mentions a stock, go buy it and sit on it. It's gonna pump huge. And he knows now, like, oh, I can just mention a stock. I can just say the government's getting... The government hasn't even... Right? Like, the government sometimes... He is the government, and sometimes he just says things that haven't even happened yet. He'll just be like, yeah, I'm gonna... we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, but they don't even happen. And the stocks will pump anyways. Right? Isn't that interesting? Like, he knows that just with the words alone is all it takes for the markets to move up. So, I think I was saying this is one of the worst markets ever, but I lied. It's not that this is one of the worst markets ever. It's that I was just still trading this like it was a Biden market. I was still treating it like this was Biden's market. Biden's market was very kind of boring in the sense that it just kind of, there weren't constant sectors pumping huge. Let me put it that way. Everything was just kind of slowly climbing higher. Whereas now it's a little more volatile and a little more crazy, more chaotic, and that is good if you know how to position yourself. So there you go, guys. That is how you trade. I mean, Trump is going to be in office for what, another 2 years, I assume? Yeah. So this is how you trade the Trump hype, 2027, 2028. Look out for what any ticker he mentions, position yourself in it, and just be grateful at the fact that you can make 10, 20, 30, 50, 100% return, and all you got to do is follow the big orange man at the White House. Isn't that funny? Right? I don't know if a Democrat becomes a president, we might go back to just a regular boring old market with not much volatility, and just every now and then maybe there's a runner. But I think this is going to be one hell of a show. It already is one hell of a show. I think we might even get a rinse and repeat of 2021, 2020, when everything crashed during COVID, and then we had everything was just running up huge. Everything went insane. It was a hell of a bull market, and I could see that happening again, because that looks good on him, right? And that's what he wants, right? He wants to be able to say, hey guys, look at the markets. I made that happen. I'm the best, right? Because that's what it's about. So it's a win-win for him. It's a win-win for the people who, how to take the trades and invest. So there you go. Just in case you guys didn't know how to take advantage of this president's style of running the government. Now you know. This isn't sleepy Joe Biden. This is a guy that's very awake and very aware, and he knows how to move markets. So take advantage while he's still around. And that is it for the video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Risk is managed, I let it dance.